Okay, he's a bad salad. Hello my beauties, how's everyone doing? I hope you're doing great. If you are new here, my name is Zona and I welcome you to my channel. Please do subscribe. If you are a returning beauty, welcome back. Good to see you again. So in today's video, I'm doing a hair review. The hair is from a company called Shara Hair Za. They are also on Instagram, as you can see. I've bought a few hair pieces from them in the past, but this one was gifted to me. So we're going to be reviewing the hair today, and it is in a style that I've been eyeing for quite a while. It is the most popular one at the moment. So it's basically this baby with the headband, obviously. It is 20 inches of curly hair. They say the hair is grade 12A, and yeah, that's how it looks. It's machine stitched, I think. And this is how it looks. In terms of density, they didn't give me any information around the grams of the hair, but it's very heavy. It's quite high density. The pattern is quite tight and the texture is soft though. And I haven't put anything onto it yet. So the package came with this hair and 2 wig caps, which one I'll be using today, just these beige wig caps, and these hair pins. It's basically written boss in Diamante, so both of them are written boss. I don't know if I'll be using those. But I do appreciate the gesture. I'm so excited about this one. It's an edge control. They promise that it has no residue and it is strong hold. We're gonna be needing this because my hair, as you're about to see, is super coarse. Also came out with this. It is something essential conditioning curl enhancer spray. It is 250 mils. It's for wigs and natural human hair. They say it enhances curls and repairs hair, protects hair from breakage, heat and color protection, instant sheet. Because our main focus is this baby. I'm so excited to try this, guys, because I've been seeing a lot of these on the explore page on Instagram, and I've been wanting to try them on because I currently am very lazy to do anything hair related. You know, I have those days, and I actually noticed that I don't have anything that is quick, that is still cute. So this was definitely a must for me. That's why I requested it when they asked to send me some hair. So to start off, here is how my hair is looking. I cut my hair last December from super long because it was super dry. I think this was some of the postpartum issues. It was very dry, and then I cut it maybe this short. Now I'm in between relaxer and natural. I don't know what to do with the hair. How do I look as an egghead? Let us put on this edge control so that my hair can blend better with the curl, which is better help, because I really need it. I haven't even decided which styles we're gonna do with this, but my sunburn, we shall see. For Shara Hair, you can use the link down below on my description box. I've bought a lot of hair from them, so if you've seen anything that you like on my videos, just check the description box there. You will see my link to all their hair, and you can use my coupon code, which is Zona M5. My Facebook people have been getting great hair actually. For some odd reason, I had not done any video around it. It's just that I wanted some new hair to talk about. I didn't want to come to you guys with my old hair and say this is this, da 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 da. I wanted something fresh that we will unbox together, you know what I mean? Anyway, how are my edges? My edges. This is super curly hair we're talking about, guys. 4C. See the difference. Spot the difference. I was not ready, guys, to relax my hair. I told myself, I'm gonna do this. I wanna look cute all the time, you know, and I don't always have the time to mangazisa a frontal. So this might be what I'll be needing. PMS can get me and I had to be aware very early on. Even at work, I watch myself at home because the people closest to me are the ones to always bear the brunt. That's it. PMS. Yo, Isolo, it hit me very late in the day. Like, just start to feel like everything is just falling apart. I didn't even plan to chit chat on this video, guys. But you know, this channel has become a great outlet for me to just ramble, to just, you know, just let out. Do any of you guys suffer with PMS? How are you managing it? How are you handling it? We are ready for the headband wig. I'm gonna hook these medium G just to secure it, not to give myself a headache. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Yeah, instantly. Hi guys. Okay, he's a bad salad. And I didn't want to put this thing on for myself. I just wanted to see it as you guys, my hairline is cooperating like a boss. Hey, this edge control, I never thought it possible. I don't want to hide my now sleek hairline like angeke. Anyway, this is how the headband looks. But obviously, I'm trying to hide my laid edges. Okay, we're just gonna start it off like this. But I feel like the band now is not tight enough, but I'm secured by the other bands that I put. And hey guys, like, it's making me shy how cute I look. I need my spirits. Okay, this is just gonna be our first look. How is it looking like this is my real hair? I just pulled it back and put a headband. Guys, anyway, 20 inches. There's so much volume on this hair, guys. The volume on those baby. Anyway, I haven't put anything yet onto it. So I'm just gonna put on the spray, which I feel like I don't even need because I don't want to interrupt this flow. But anyway, I'm gonna put it on. When I'm not big on spray, I'm not. Because in the put the end and just it's the spray saying to me, just shut up. Shut up. Yo guys, name Cleveland and phone on card. Like a shop, just wanting to look cute. I'm just gonna put this on. Now the struggle of rushing to the mall and not having anything to put on. But those days are over, over. And just doing this. The hair is really soft, guys, as you can see for yourselves. Okay, you know my motor and volume. The bigger the hair, the closer to heaven. So I don't want to put any more products onto the hair. Okay, first look. Here we go. Boom, boom. Okay, this is how it looks on the sides. I'm going to put on this Ellis band. I bought this last year and just cover the original band. I'm so goofy. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, it's just it's just a wig. When you get something and it hits all the right spots, you like, yeah, honey. Yes. Pushed it back just a little bit has made a big difference, because when I'm wearing an Alice band, I don't want it to be too close to the face. I want it to be a bit far back and look cute like this. So that is style number 2. First one, we had it without the band. Now we have an Alice band on. Let's try something else. I want to do just a top knot here. Yo, I just like how easily it glides, because now you want to be careful with this one not to expose the tracks. Okay, just gonna leave it like that. Boom, a boom shakalaka vibe. Or you know what else I can do? I can also do this. Just make it this top knot situation. Still looking fresh. Still looking fresh. So other style. Boom, boom, boom. Another one. Let's try out another style. Brushing it all up. So I must just, I want to fix this thing again so that it can be tighter. Oh, I'm gonna pull it down like so. And that is how it looks. Don't focus on my carcass. Focus on the wiggle. So I'm putting on a scarf just to make it look even cuter. I could leave it with just a headband, but I just want to be a little extra and put on the scarf. A la Boiti. Boiti is one of the people that I know likes to do this scarf situation, and yeah. Oh, it actually is looking nice. This one I was not so sure about, as you guys could tell. I actually see this with a maxi dress, you know, just that casual loungy feel. Ming. And got it under it like that. Anyway, I just thought of another idea when I was taking the ponytail off. I was just thinking, how's about we do like that? You probably would want to change your scarf now, but sisters didn't come prepared, so I'm just gonna make it look like a nice little fringe. Is what's happening. What up? I've taken another headband, putting it over here, taking a small portion of the hair, just a light portion. I want to shorten it basically, just twisting it. Okay, and then we have our little fringe. Okay, then make this fringe lightly to the front Okay, this I would push down with a bobby pin. I don't have any bobby pins. And then I have a fringe. This is so playful as well. I like this little fringe actually. And you have another look. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Love it. And with that, this is where we reach the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy it and you will consider a headband wig. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share all of my videos. Whatever you're interested in, make sure to spread the word. As you can see, there's very many ways that you can style your headband wig, but we'll end it here for today. I hope you did enjoy the video. Tell me which one was your favorite hairstyle. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Again, back to the hair, I'm happy with the quality, the volume, and the fact that it does not tangle. Well, it hasn't tangled, it hasn't shed, but obviously I haven't worn it long enough to see if there will be any shedding. If you are interested in buying the hair, link to buying it is on the description box. You can get your headband wig in the straight style, colored, not colored, natural color, curls like I'm wearing, in all the inches. You can have it short as a bob, you can have it as 20 inches like I have it, or all the way up to 30 inches. The style is not limited to one look. Please make sure to give it a try if you are interested. And it is goodbye for now from me. Cheerio.